Dumb and Dumber Instagram trending sticker. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to add your sticker from highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so it's better to go to add yours sticker at highlights because you may not find it there. So here you have to click until you find the desired one, and you will only find viral trends right here, so you can check these too if you want. So there we have it, Dumb and Dumber. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you how to get to that link on the Instagram app. So first let's do our story. You have to go to your uploads and choose a photo that you want. So I will go with this photo right here, but you can choose what photo you want. It has to be funnier, of course, but this is just an example for you guys, so I will leave it like this. You can place your sticker where you want by using your two fingers, and once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. Click on the Your Story button from the left bottom corner and your story will be shared. So now let's show you from where you can get that link if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button. So from my page you have to go to Super Viral at Highlights, and here you have to click until you find that story. So there we have it. Not able to click on Add Yours button, then you can check this YouTube link right here. So you just have to click on this YouTube link. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.